carrying out their mission without any interference and pressure of the government, and working with the government in sessions and economic issues in addition to teaching good ethics to their followers. The Seventh Adventist Church is one of the religious organizations in the Gambela region and achieved the great missionary activities such as establishing schools, mobile clinics, and visiting program since 1970s. This reveals the long history of Seventh Adventist Church with the people of the Gambela region. Today, February 9, 2018, there has been achieved a long deferred and a very significant and historic milestone to see the church opening a new Gambela field of the Seventh Adventist Church for the first time in the Gambela region. Congratulations to all the Adventist believers in Ethiopia. Congratulations to all the believers of Adventist in Gambela regional state. And thanks the East Africa Central and Ethiopia Union to appoint the president of the field, to appoint the secretary general of the field, to appoint the treasury and the other leadership in the church. Thank you very much. 40 years after it is birth of the Seventh Adventist Church in Gambela, we have seen the change here in our region. As a government, we support the religious organizations for their contribution towards the peace, stability, and development of the region, in particular to country in general. The Gambela people as regional state acknowledge and congratulate this historical and spiritual activity that brought about the election of the first field staff to the highest position of the Seventh Adventist Church in our regions. We all rejoice with all people of God will and join in a prayer. The Lord will grant them the wisdom and resolve to meet the discouraging challenges, obstacles, threats that will certainly confront them. As they lead a people of God, they will manage them. We know that God is behind the play and counterplay of nations, and that is He who ordered the time and the seasons. So we praise and thank Him for this God movement. There are many who died and give a very strong service and make a long history to build this advantage. We will like to see this today. But their names and their tasks will never be forgotten by the advantage of Ethiopia. Please continue to pray for the leadership of the Gambela government, and that the flag of religious freedom will continue to fly in and over this country, so that the gospel may preach and extend God's eternal day.